Hey coupon besties, it's your girl blowing coupons, and if you have not checked Dollar General for Saturday, May 16th deals yet, this is one of those weekends where Dollar General is basically paying us to shop if you stack your digital coupons the right way. First things first, make sure you clip the famous $5 off $25 coupon inside the Dollar General app before you shop. There's also a special $10 off $40 coupon available for May 16th, too. Now let me break down some easy beginner-friendly deals because I know everybody doesn't want to do complicated math in the store. First deal, laundry lovers run. Grab 1 Gain detergent, 1 Tide Pods, 2 Downy products. Your total should come to around $26 before coupons. Then clip the $5 off 25 DG coupon, the Gain digital coupon, the Tide digital coupon, the Downy digital coupon. After all your coupons come off, you'll pay around $12 to $14 out of pocket depending on your store prices. That is amazing for all those laundry products. Now for my beauty girls, grab 2 Dove body washes, 1 Pantene shampoo, 1 Garnier shampoo. Your total comes to around $24 to $26. Add a small filler item to hit the $25 minimum if needed. Then stack the $5 off $25 coupon, the Dove digital coupon, Pantene digital coupon, Garnier coupon. Your final out-of-pocket should drop down to around $9 to $11 total, and for name brand beauty products, that's a stock-up price. Snack deal alert! Dollar General also has a digital coupon where if you buy 1 DiGiorno pizza, you get a Pepsi 2-liter free. So if you already need dinner for the family, this is a super easy deal to throw into your transaction. And besties, don't forget to scan the clearance section too because Dollar General has been running additional markdown clearance events lately. And some stores are giving an extra 50% off already reduced prices. Quick beginner tip, at Dollar General, always clip your digital coupons before you shop. And make sure your total is at least $25 before coupons so your $5 off $25 comes off correctly. And if your store has the $10 off $40 coupon available, even better because that's where the huge hauls happen. Comment DG if you want my full Dollar General breakdown list. And follow Blowin' Coupons for daily Walmart cashback, CVS, Walgreens, and Dollar General couponing videos.